In this lecture, we'll take a brief look at the database design for our e-commerce web application. Here are the main tables for storing data of our e-commerce application. For authentication and authorization in the admin control panel, we have the tables users and roles here. And for the product information, we have the tables categories, brands, products, product details, product images, reviews, questions. So these are the tables for the product information on the shopping website. And for the customer information, we have the tables customers and addresses and countries and states. And for the shopping functionality, we have the tables orders, order details, cart items, order track, and shipping rates. For menu items and articles on the shopping website, we have the tables, articles, and menus here. And for the settings and configuration, we have the settings table and currencies table. And note that we won't create all these tables at once. Instead, each table will be created when we come to develop a particular module or functionality